All right, time to take another look at the forecast. Meteorologist Robert Suhr joining me again. The storm system coming in tomorrow. What comes with it and what is the timing?
A little bit of everything comes with it, and the timing is late tomorrow night and into early Wednesday morning. Probably the worst time for severe weather because most of us are in bed, our guards are down, and that is unfortunately when severe weather, especially tornadoes, claim the most lives while people are innocently sleeping in bed. So just make sure you've got the alerts turned up on your phone or your NOAA weather radio is ready to go tomorrow, because for some of us it could get quite rough. Now I want to preface that by saying there are some of you out there that may not see anything because of the scattered nature of the storms. But those that do, the storms could be very, very bad, and they will develop by later in the day. We could be looking at what are called discrete thunderstorms, those thunderstorms that are all by themselves, and those are the ones that can get really dangerous. And we could be looking at large damaging hail, damaging wind, strong destructive tornadoes as well. And again, as I said, late tomorrow evening through about sunrise on Wednesday. Now today it was very quiet and very summer-like. We got up to 84 degrees, tying the record from 12 years ago, which was also 84. Meanwhile, in Fort Smith, didn't quite get there. 87 was our high. The record was 89. So we took a run at it, just came up a few degrees short. Temperatures right now, they remain very, very pleasant at this hour. We're basically in the upper 70s across northwest Arkansas. And in the River Valley, it's still plenty warm. These are numbers that we should be more accustomed to in middle of July. Lows at this hour in the 80s, but that's just the system that we're dealing with. It's pulling up so much warm air. Here's the SPC outlook for tomorrow. Now, we've got a slight risk for far northwest Arkansas, then an enhanced and a moderate risk. So, in layman's terms, we're talking about scattered to numerous to widespread severe thunderstorms are possible, especially anywhere in this red area. And we're not the only ones that are dealing with this. Once again, Iowa, Illinois, far northeast Missouri could also be seeing similar weather. Would not surprise me tomorrow if some area in this entire threat is upgraded to a high risk, just from the dynamics that we're seeing. Hail threat, 2-inch or greater hail possible anywhere in the hatched area. And then we get to the tornado risk, which really does worry me. Anywhere in the hatched area, yellow or red, we could be looking at tornadoes that are EF2 or stronger. That's what we're dealing with, and that's why we're so concerned. And we're telling you, have that plan of action ready to go. Have that safe spot ready for your family in case you need to take cover in a very short amount of time. Also, damaging winds are a threat as well if you are under one of those severe thunderstorms for tomorrow. Tonight's lows, very mild, very summer-like, mid-60s, that's it. Some of you may be cranking up the air conditioner tonight and tomorrow with temperatures rebounding again. And all of this warm air, all this unseasonably warm air will come with added humidity, and that all acts as fuel for the atmosphere, and those storms will feed off of that very, very quickly and become very, very strong, very, very fast. What we call explosive development could happen tomorrow evening. There's the extended forecast. It's great beside Tuesday and early Wednesday. The rest of the week looks fine. Nothing to worry about. Mix of clouds and sunshine most days. Temperatures slightly below average, and then we get slightly above average by the weekend. And then as we get toward the River Valley, we have about the same thing with a severe day tomorrow, and then we watch the chances wrap up Wednesday morning before a nice rest of the week. Stay with us. We are going to check the sports world with Meredith Mulkey. She's in studio, eagerly waiting after the break.